Have you ever wondered why some YouTube channels skyrocket in popularity while others struggle to gain traction? The difference often lies not in luck, but in strategy. In the next 7 minutes, we'll delve into the art and science of growing a successful YouTube channel in 2024. There's no magic formula, but there are proven strategies that can significantly increase your chances of success. Firstly, focus on creating high-quality videos. This might sound obvious, but it's surprising how many people overlook the importance of quality in their quest for quantity. A well-produced video not only keeps viewers engaged, but also improves the overall perception of your channel. Next, optimize your content for search engines. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and if you're not making the most of this, you're missing out. This involves writing engaging titles and descriptions, using relevant hashtags, and incorporating keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. Designing attention-grabbing thumbnails is another key strategy. Your thumbnail is essentially a mini billboard for your video, and it's often the first thing people see. Make it count. Don't forget to incorporate calls to action in your videos. Whether it's asking viewers to like, comment, or subscribe, a clear call to action can significantly boost engagement. Building relationships with your audience is also crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your viewers feel valued. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also encourages loyalty and repeat viewership. Another effective strategy is collaborating with other creators. This not only gives you access to a new audience, but also helps you learn from others in your field. Capitalizing on trends and challenges can also give your channel a significant boost. This doesn't mean jumping on every trend that comes along, but if there's something that aligns with your brand and interests, don't be afraid to give it a go. Bridging short and long-form content is another strategy worth considering. While short videos can attract new viewers, long-form content can keep them engaged and encourage them to stick around. Cross-promoting your videos on other platforms and creating playlists can also help increase viewership and engagement. In conclusion, growing a successful YouTube channel in 2024 involves a combination of creating high-quality videos, optimizing content for search engines, designing engaging thumbnails, incorporating calls to action, building relationships with your audience, collaborating with other creators, capitalizing on trends, bridging short and long-form content, cross-promoting videos, and creating playlists. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with the right strategies in place, you're well on your way to creating a thriving YouTube channel.